What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. But before we start the video, I have just remembered something that my kid always talks about, like, I have an egg, I have a bread, I have sandwich. And it's the same today. I have a hub, I have a mouse. It's a hub mouse. How does it become hub mouse? Look at this. Hub mouse. Today we are going to talk about this ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse, which I have been using for almost 2 weeks now. And this thing actually became a part of my life. Wherever I go, whatever I do with my laptop or with my iPad, I'm gonna use this ProtoArc hub mouse. This mouse is really very beautiful and pretty smart. How come a mouse become beautiful and smart? Yeah, it's pretty beautiful when I use this one as a mouse, and this one becomes smart when I use this one along with this hub. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before everything, one request: if you end up liking this video, then you know what you have to do. What? Click on the like button, go ahead, click on the like button and subscribe to this channel, because there is an international smartphone giveaway going on, and the giveaway is only for the subscribers of this channel. If you are already subscribed, then what you have to do is to make a valid and descriptive comment about this ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse. Well, we will do the unboxing, don't worry about that. But before that, why do I have these things over here on this desk? This is my MacBook Pro M1 Max, this is my Surface Book Pro, and this is my iPad Pro M2, the newest one, definitely the newest one. And there is only one common problem that I face every day while I use these devices. There isn't many ports. Yeah, I know this MacBook Pro M1 Max comes with a HDMI port. There are 3 USB-C ports. But where is that USB-A port? Sometimes I need to use USB-A port. There are a lot of accessories and devices that I use comes with a USB-A port, a USB-A cable. So I need a USB-A port for this MacBook Pro M1 Max. Well, where is the HDMI port in this Surface Book Pro? No, there is no HDMI port. There is only one USB-A port and only one USB-C port. So I need a HDMI port for this Surface Book Pro. And finally this iPad Pro M2. Only one. Yeah, there is only one USB-C port. So I need HDMI port. I need at least one USB-A port. That's where comes this ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse. This one comes with a hub inside this. Actually, this is the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle of this mouse, and this dongle comes with a hub. Amazing! Even I couldn't come up with an idea like this. Even nobody else came up with this idea. So ProtoArc deserves a thumbs up. Kudos to ProtoArc. Now I can connect this dongle, this hub, with my iPad Pro M2, with my Surface Book Pro, and with my MacBook Pro M1 Max without any issues. And that's how I use this 4K portable monitor with my laptops and iPads and many other tablets. This hub and this mouse is actually compatible with Windows, Android, macOS, iPadOS and many other operating systems. So no worries about compatibility. Now it's time to start from unboxing. Well, here comes our ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse, swappable modular hub. Inside the box there is a mouse and the convenience of hub. You can see they have printed some features: integrated hub mouse, 2.4G wireless plus Bluetooth connectivity, universal compatibility. I have just talked about this. At the back they have written the specification. This one weighs 50 grams. The mouse actually comes with a 300 mAh rechargeable battery, 2 months of usage, standby time more than 6 months. 3-channel connection. We can connect this mouse to 3 devices at the same time, like one with the USB-C dongle, 2.4 GHz connectivity and dual Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. This one supports 1000, 1600 and 2400 DPI, so that's pretty fast. And yeah, there is one more information, like they have even written mouse click lifespan, 5 million clicks. Who's gonna count their clicks? I'm not gonna count my clicks, but 5 million clicks means a lot. It's more than overkill. It's overkill over overkill. Well, the hub supports 4K 30Hz HDMI output, 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate, 60 watt USB-C PD. That means power delivery. I always like ProtoArc products because these products comes in a very nice and simple packaging. I have already been using many other ProtoArc products, so I have decided to go with this one. Let's see what things we have got inside the box. Inside the box, the first thing is a very long USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a very good quality one. the mouse along with the hub, and a very good user manual. I said very good because this one comes with a lot of illustrations and everything is written clearly. All the instructions are given clearly and everything is written in details. Cool. Well, before we talk about the build quality of the hub, let's talk about the build quality and appearance of this mouse. I think I have already talked about the appearance. This one really looks pretty nice, very beautiful. And while using, I feel pretty comfortable. One more thing, this one doesn't even need any mouse pad or something like that. This one works on any surface, on any flat surface. And yeah, it's very smooth because underneath this brand ProtoArc have used premium materials. So it not only moves, it actually flows. Okay, at the bottom part of the mouse, there are two buttons. One button is to switch between three devices. You can see 1, 2, 3, and another is a power on and power off button. Once power on, you can see it's powered on. If we want to connect it with a Bluetooth device, what we have to do is to press this button, and one long press will actually activate pairing mode. Now it's in pairing mode, so we can pair this mouse with any device. The number one is actually 2.4 GHz USB dongle, and here comes our hub. I'm really super surprised to see that they have used metal. Yeah, the frame of this hub is metal and that's really amazing. Cool. Very good build quality. I would give 10 out of 10 for build quality and again 10 out of 10 for this amazing outlook and appearance. They have managed to put 3 ports inside this tiny little USB hub. Another thing I must mention that this mouse comes with 4 buttons. One button is dedicated to that DPI mode. We can change DPI mode through this button, and there is a third button which is integrated into the scroller wheel. I really like this scrolling wheel because there is a very nice clicky feelings when I scroll through. It's not like there is any skip. I don't know whether you have used some other flagship class premium mouse or not. Those mouse actually comes with this type of clicky feelings while scrolling through. And these mouse buttons actually doesn't make any sound. It's damn silent. So it's very good for using inside a library or in any office or in a workspace because there is no sound, but it gives that feelings that it's traveling 3 to 5 millimeters and there is a clicky feelings. But look at this, there is no travel. So ProtoArc have used something nice technology to give you that feelings that you have clicked it, but in reality there is no travel. Well, we have talked about outlook, appearance, build quality and features. Let's connect this mouse with my iPad Pro M2 and check how is the quality. And we will also test the speed of that hub, and we will also test 4K 30Hz with my Surface Book Pro through this hub or the dongle. Let's start the review process. If you are enjoying this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, there is something interesting I'm gonna share with you. You can clearly see I have connected my portable hard disk, this SSD drive, through this ProtoArc hub, the hub that came inside this mouse, and on the box they have written 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. But look at this. It's no magic. We are gonna use Blackmagic disk speed test, and 900 megabyte per second write, 900 megabyte per second read. So this one actually supports 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. I don't know why did they write 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. Come on ProtoArc, you need to change this. Cool. Super satisfied, super happy. We are paying for 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate and getting 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. Actually, I have noticed this a few days ago and I was like, okay, amazing. Oh, by the way, your hard disk need to have this speed. If your hard disk doesn't have this speed, like if you use a 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate hard disk, then you will get 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. If you have a 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate hard disk, then you will get 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. That's really amazing. Now let's check 4K output. Here it is. Now I have 4K 30Hz output, video output through HDMI port, and also my hard disk is connected to this MacBook Pro M1 Max through the USB-A port. One more time I'm gonna test data transfer rate. Why don't we just put this over here? That's better. Wow, it's really very fast. 848 megabyte per second write, 894 megabyte per second read. Kudos to ProtoArc. Well, a lot of people would say, what about compatibility? So I'm gonna do the compatibility test. Let me use this mouse to shut down my MacBook Pro M1 Max. I have removed the dongle from my MacBook Pro M1 Max. Now let's do the same test with my iPad Pro M2. Well, here is my iPad Pro M2. I have connected this 4K external monitor through this dock. I have connected this external SSD drive, and now I wanna power up or recharge my iPad Pro M2. It's really nice. Look at this. This one has already started to get charged, and I'm using this ProtoArc USB-C hub which came inside a mouse. Here is the mouse. What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Vivo X. I'm gonna use this one as my daily drive for. So the mouse works perfectly okay, perfectly fine. Well, as promised, now let's check with my Surface Book Pro. I have connected this external monitor, external SSD drive, and I'm also gonna recharge my Surface Book Pro through this hub which came inside ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse. Well, here you can see the laptop has started to getting recharged. Now let's check the display. Let me show you clearly. Check this, 4K 30Hz without any issue. So this is really an amazing product, ProtoArc 2-in-1 hub mouse. I've been using this one for almost 2 weeks now and I'm truly super satisfied. I have already demonstrated that this one works flawlessly. This one works perfectly with almost all the devices, and I don't think I have to add anything else. You have already experienced it by yourself through this video. So if you're looking for a solution like this, like a mouse along with a hub, then I think you should try this one. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that. And if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
No cap, I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got